Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a gnocchi soup, and this is a sort of a copycat recipe that they serve this soup at the Olive Garden. I've never had this soup, and Calvin's seen it and he thought that we would like it, so I'm going to try it today. And the first thing that I'm going to do is add my oil in my pot. Alright, I'm going to be adding, I've already put 2 tablespoons of oil in my pot, and so now I'm going to be sauteing my vegetables. This is a cup of carrots, and this is half of an onion, and this is a cup of celery. Okay. Get all this stirred up. And I've got this on medium heat, and I'm going to be sauteing them. These vegetables really are smelling good. I think this is going to be a good meal tonight for our supper. Like I said, I've never had this gnocchi soup that the Olive Garden serves, so I'm really looking forward to it. I've heard that it was a real good soup, and I love doing soups. We had a little surprise when we woke up this morning. There was a light dusting in the backyard, and then I woke up around 3 o'clock, and then when I woke up at about 7, it was all gone. So that's what the snow does here in Georgia. But it's supposed to go down in the 20s tonight, so that's cold for us. We have actually got snow on Christmas down here, but it doesn't happen very often. Okay. I think the vegetables are about ready now, so I'm going to be adding in my other seasonings: thyme, parsley, salt, and black pepper. The recipe will be in the description below. Okay. Now then, I'm going to be adding my garlic. And this is 4 cups of chicken broth that I'm going to be adding. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my chicken. You can either cut this up into little pieces and put in it, but I'm going to be shredding mine, so I'm going to be putting mine in and let it cook for about 15 minutes. On about medium heat. Okay, my soup is simmering. It still likes a little bit. Smelling really good. And I've got my garlic toast over there in the toaster oven, and so we'll be ready to eat in just a few minutes. My chicken is done. It's been cooking for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to put it in this plate right here and take it over to my counter and shred it and put it back in the pot. Okay, I have my chicken shredded now, so I'm going to add it to my pot, and then I'm going to put my cornstarch and my heavy cream. To thicken this soup up with. Okay, now I'm going to whisk together my cornstarch and my heavy cream. Let's stir this up really good. When we got our gnocchi, they didn't have the exact kind that we wanted. We wanted the potato gnocchi, but all they had was the cauliflower gnocchi. So we're going to try this and see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm going to add my gnocchi. Hopefully it didn't splash all over me. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 more minutes, and then I'll add my spinach to it. Alright, my gnocchi soup is done now. They say that you can tell it's done when the gnocchi floats to the top. So now I'm going to add my spinach, which is about 1 1/2 cups, and my Parmesan cheese. Right, I think that's wilted down enough. So now I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese. Okay, so my spinach has wilted down some now, so I'm going to serve us up a bowl of this soup. Let's see if this is as good as Olive Garden. Okay, there's what it looks like. All right, the gnocchi soup is done and it looks delicious. And I'm going to taste a little bit of it and see how it tastes. Get some spinach, some gnocchi, carrots and chicken, and juice. Now this is going to be hot because y'all see me just get it out of the pot. So let me blow on it a little bit. That is really good.
Was it too hot?
It was not really.
Be careful with it.
I'm gonna get a little bit of this juice.
'Cause I see the steam coming off.
It's just right. It's got good flavor to it.
How does the gnocchi taste? Does it come?
It's not rubbery at all. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or not, but I believe I would put just a pinch of nutmeg in it if I was making it again.
Some of the recipes call for nutmeg.
Really?
Does the gnocchi taste like potatoes, or does it taste more like pasta?
Let's see. Because this is actually the first time I ate gnocchi. I'm from the South, y'all. It's hard to say that word, gnocchi. Okay. I think it tastes more like a noodle than it does potato.
Well, I can't wait to get my bowl and try my bowl, Marie. It looks delicious. You did a good job on that.
It's really good. So I think if y'all try this soup, you'll like it. And I would put just a pinch of nutmeg in it though. But do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.